Well, ordinarily he looks a little bit more frightening than this, but I was playing around with making him fuzzy. And then I'm just going to keep streaming and do it again, and 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 again. Whoa, 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 hey, hey, hey! My bullets are carrying me away.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Speed. Hot crab on crab action. That's right. You only see this normally down in New Orleans. Bit gamey, right on my head. Rig probably gonna win. Ooh, it's not a bit gamey rig. Rig has quite a bit more health, but it's anybody's game. Randomizer. Ooh, oh. The anger is rising. Anger's rising. Who's going to be the big winner of the cats? Oh, Rig wins! From the asset library, smart shit 2D. Smart shape 2D. Wow. The hell have you done here? Hacker hoodie and all. Theo, if you got anything you want to share, please, the floor is yours. I appreciate you. Also a member of the Claw stream team, one of the best stream teams on Twitch. Amazing people, amazing leader, amazing everything. Raiders coming in for the guess what? I'm gonna chase you with the chainsaw. Yay! Well, for one, probably not the first time any of us have heard that was quick. That dark really takes away from the outlines that I have, though. Oh, no wonder! It's on backwards. Ooh, breaking the pot, breaking the pot. Golden skeleton, he must have taken a golden shower. So, yeah. We need a magnet or a suck train. I got it because I wanted a Jeep. I wanted something that I could take the top off of that wouldn't talk back. Raffin, go ahead, stretch your legs out, stretch everything that you need to stretch out. Here, I'll show you how the day is gone. Day's gone like this. And if you want to play an oboe, a double reed instrument, here's what you do. You take a look at a cat's asshole, a really close look at a cat's asshole, and you do your best to make your lips look like that. You go. And then you blow. There. That's a skill that you learned. I'm having a hard time understanding the best way to pull this out. I'm going to open up Windsurf. Whoa. Forget I did that. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Yes. That link, that announcement I just posted, it is the most amazing app for holding all your links for everything. It shows when I'm live on YouTube, shows when I'm live on Twitch, has all the links that I could ever want to share out in one location, and it's so fucking customizable. Absolutely love it. All right. Where were we on the music front? Hey guys, yo, what's up? Ayo, hey, check this out. We're gonna go in and we're gonna make some trees today, yo. Don't forget to smash that subscribe. If this doesn't work, I'll go fuck myself with a rusty spoon. I want to make it clear right here, right now. I am against ripping your dick off and throwing it at somebody, okay? So there can be no confusion here. I do not recommend taking your dick, ripping it off, and tossing it in the direction of anyone, all right? Good. Actually shrink it down a wee bit. The pendulum, like this, it goes bam, 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 bam. It's like that. Hello, welcome in. Good drop. See, Mars got first. We got an oh hi from Little Robot. Who else? The Sist is here with a good drop. Oh man. Trying to get my camera rejiggered. I probably shouldn't be standing on that thing, but yes, I'm standing. Look at me. All right. Let's see. Let's see what I can do here. This way. What do we think? Is this doable? Is this acceptable? Ah, shit. No. None of this is acceptable. I also learned how to do the level with the footsteps. I played all the way through it. I finished it. Is the how much higher can I take this thing? Because then I could do this. I could do. Yeah, but the ending was well worth it. Shit, man. Just, it shouldn't be this difficult. All I want to do is stand. What is that? That is definitely a duck pick. Thank you, Saribot. There. Welcome in, Pigorley. How we doing? shit. I'm doing a balance board here. I'm on a balance board, but it makes it very difficult for me to move the monitor while I'm on the board. But when I'm on it, or when I'm off it, I'm not at the right height. Are we good? Are we good? Welcome in, Tricky. Welcome in, Pagorli. Okay, and sound check. I think good. Well, that's an odd. Did I make that command? Is that one of mine? Finding bugs already. We're like 5 minutes into it and finding bugs. Oh. Wait, no, that was a bad sound. Mini, no. Shout. Shout. Let it all out. No, weird that it's doing an at. Whoa. Ooh, Missile Cat. Old Missile Cat. Ooh. Yes, we are almost at that goal of 1,000, only 950 away. I know you tried. I know you tried. I just don't. I'm gonna. You know what? Let's just do this. There we go. Now it'll just do a shout out without anything funky. Without trying to send a message. Bow, bow, bow. Oh, okay. So we got Blender open. You know what that means. I have no idea what I'm doing, as usual. Oh, I got something to show. I tore him into pieces. I tore him apart. I probably should have pulled off the stash too. But I didn't. I think it'd be cool to have the stash going. Yeah, I cut this guy into pieces. This was his last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. So we got that going for us. I still don't know if I want to keep it as line art. There's so many things. There are just so many damn things that I wanna do. I mean, I haven't even started with yeah. What did I just do? No, bad. Oh noes. All right, let's bring these two right back. Oh no, I almost really crapped the bed there. Conrad, welcome in. Good to see ya. All right, let's now. rename this real quick. Ah. There. Thank you. I grew it myself. Oh, you mean this guy? Yelrow. Yelrow. It's like the man from another place from Twin Peaks. That gun you really like is making a comeback. So I'm trying to figure out, though, maybe y'all can help me with this. How to make it less like static. And I could go pixel art. This isn't what I'm planning on doing all night. But let's like something like clearing out some of the stuff. And then thickening some of the stuff. But I don't know what the best way to do it would be. Like, I don't understand. I know it's inking. But this stuff isn't stuff that I'm like well versed in at all. I guess we could do piece by piece, but like just do the outsides. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, I don't know. Let's take it back. Yeah. Okay. All right, so this was this guy. You know, we made some significant improvement there. But okay, I need input, just like Johnny 5. I'm alive, and I need input. Is Pixel going to be just easier? Or do I have a chance with, if I don't want to spend 5 years just working on this? Do I have a chance with vector line art stuff? Yeah. I really do not know. Either way, back to Blender. Let's open up the arena. This is our default. Let's get it shaded. There's that. And I'm also like, is this truly the best way to do it for the levels? There are so many things that I'm not sure about. Eh, Now, is there a way to stack these as well? No, bad. I don't think so. Because that's not going to do what I want it to do. Actually, what I probably want it to do is more of an array. Right? Yeah, fuck it. All right, what is the... Nope, that's not it. Delete. No, I didn't want to do that. Okay. What is the node that like usually goes from UV? I can't think of what it is. Oh, unless it's a Godot node that I'm thinking of. That you can like change the factor of the UV. I'm pretty sure I'm thinking of a Godot node. Never mind. This is not the way that I wanted to do things. All right, that isn't going to do it. Conrad, I don't know yet. I've been like second guessing everything that I do here recently, and I know I'm not the only one who does that, but excuse me. But I know I'm like, I think it would be easier since the arenas are all going to be basically the same shape or close to it. We might make some edits here and there, but overall it's going to be like this. it's like that, you know. We might do some size changes, stuff like that, but for the most part, it's just going to be rectangular. And I think doing something like this works out. Now let's go. No, that wasn't it. All right. Procedural material. Okay, then material. Brick texture. I don't like it. Go, there's that. Something like this. Okay. I don't understand what that do. Okay, something like that would work. Now, what I would like to see that doesn't really do what I think it's going to do, but no, go back here. Yeah, I don't want the floor to be on the top here, but okay. If I wanted to make a normal of this so that there was a little bit of just the tiniest bit of shadow here. What's up, Fallen? How you doing? I can't tell if that's having any. I don't think that's having any. Unless, ooh. Hold on. Is this doing it? I don't think so. I don't think so. I've forgotten so much shit about this.
Did you know scientists in Japan have shown that pigs can breathe through their butts?
I did not know that, Mars. I did not. Is there a follow-up?
Fun fact of the day lol.
All right, let's see this from a... Okay, we got that. Now, how can I think that maybe I need to... I actually don't know what I need to do. Doing a normal view. Can't tell. I can't tell. Oh. There. I can kind of see it here. Okay. Oh, yeah. So was that because of the factor? Yeah, it was. Oh, what'd you do? Stop that. What if I just do a factor here? That doesn't work. Factor to height. That's what I should have been doing. Goonie saying, how's it going? Okay. So this is what we want, right? This is what I want. Color 2, let's... let's not even zero that out. Zero that out. Boom bias. Everything equal. Right? No. Ah, crap. What was the node wrangler thing? Shift W. No, that's not it. I don't remember what I doing. It's a peaches. Peaches for me. Look out. All right, there we go. Okay, so we have a brick texture here. What if I duplicate it here? No, I didn't say to hook him up. What are you doing? Where are you connected? Right, there we go. Got that. Now, the one color 2. Okay, so we got that mortar size, mortar. Ooh. So this will make it look, if I change the bias a little bit. I think it changes it up just a little bit, right? Other way. There we go. Okay, so now it looks like the tiles are up. Still really, really dark. Is that because of the... That does that, but I'm... I don't really want it to be like that. Am I wasting time here? I think I'm wasting time. I think that I'm not accomplishing what I want to accomplish. and that my frames are again dropping because the universe itself is telling me I should not be streaming. That's the only reasonable answer here. No. Oh. Just enough of the Metallica here to make it look. Goonie, depending on, more than happy to answer. Yeah. Depending on what you're asking, I primarily use OBS plus StreamerBot. However, my overlay is all built in Godot. This is connected to StreamerBot. If you have more specific questions, I'll be more than happy to try to answer. Wait a minute. I thought I undid the subdivide. No. No. Son of a. Here. So, kind of, yeah. It's a convoluted mishmash of things working sometimes, usually. So this is the Godot app right here. This is the game. Now I have camera capture going into OBS. So like my camera here. Is capturing the camera, sending it over to Godot, and Godot's handling it inside there using Spout, which is a whole other thing. Same thing with the window capture. The window is being captured within Godot or within OBS and shooting it over to Godot, and then all of it I am having it rendered out as a excuse me. As an application that I'm capturing full screen window application within OBS. So what do I love, hate about OBS? One, I love that it's open source. I love that it's free. I love that it's relatively straightforward if you put in the time. However, there are some frustrations. I mean, the downside, the open source is a double-edged sword, especially when it's open source that is maintained by primarily volunteers. I'm not saying that people aren't getting paid, but I mean, the money coming into it is mostly from donations, from supporters. It's not that, since it's free, it's not that they have an income stream from selling a product. So sometimes some problems may take a while to get fixed. But on the other hand, sometimes problems won't take any time at all to get fixed. we can mention to one of the maintainers or somebody who's just wanting to who wants to contribute and they know the product inside and out. Boom, boom. Speaking of which, I know he'll think that I'm summoning him. But people like Finite Singularity and Exceldro, they put a lot back into it. I think it's better if you're not familiar or if you don't want to get into the nuts and bolts of it. It's probably not the best setup for you. In cases like that, Streamlabs has been pretty popular. It's not something that I'm going to use because I would lose so many of my plugins and add-ons that I enjoy. I have to take this all the way back now. All the way back. All the way back. I don't think it's going to go back far enough for this. Oh, well. Speaking of finite, I have a lot. This is something that the OBS maintainers are, I believe they're sponsoring Finite Singularity to build out as part of OBS. I use the 3D effect for a lot. This one needs to go away. Browser transition, DSK, dynamic delay, a lot of stuff. The ones I really like, pixel art, source clone, use that a lot. Stream effects. No, I don't use that. Why do I still have that? What's Stream Up, made by Andy Lippy. Time Warp Scan is a lot of fun. Retro effects, noise, composite blur, advanced masks. There's a lot. There's a lot in here that, you know, it's good to have them available. I don't use all of them at the same time. Ooh, thank you for the hydrate. Oh, shit. Doko, what's up? I don't know why I think it's one of those situations where it exists in the folder.
I don't feel like my daily fact was appreciated, lol.
Mars, yes, it was appreciated. I was expecting a punchline though. Son of a bitch. Good news, I haven't saved. Oh. Yay. Should have hired a carpenter. Your wife made fried chicken. Congratulations. And fried chicken. The floors are pretty on level. Ooh. Ooh. Uh-huh. I should have saw that coming. I don't mean to hammer home the point, but with that joke, you nailed it. I can just hope that I don't screw up. Oh god, I don't know what I'm doing. All right, let's just let's just go back to the things here. All right, we're game manager. Game manager. It's an auto load already. All right, so floor bar act. All right, so what we're doing now are okay, that's when we started up. Clear upgrades. String. Or wait. No, that's bad. Ah, yeah, no, okay. Double base, null. Wait, did I not name the character? I don't think I really did a player base. No, I think it's just a character by 2D. Yep, that's right. They call us winner, they call her a sinner, and they call her a whore. Character body 2D. Go. No. Dictionary. Okay. Mad Chirpy, what is up? How you doing? Good to see ya. Folks, speaking of Mad Chirpy, since, just showed up, y'all need to go check out the Shroud of Gloom. Played this, got angry playing it, but then realized, it was my own. It was my own bad brain that made things difficult. It was a lot of fun. I spent so much time on that damn safe puzzle because it just didn't click. That little bit part just didn't click. Yeah, the part that, basically right here, even with the clue, I was trying everything, like reordering all the numbers, and then finally going, oh, oh, oh. Yeah, right there, this part. I don't think it's too difficult. It's just, you got to pay attention and think about it. And that's not something that a lot of people do, especially me. Yeah, we did that. Current floor player reference. I think we're doing a level, or we're not doing let's funk load floor. No, floor number to be int. Current floor, okay. This is close. Instantiate level scene, position player at start. Let's take a look at this first. See what it's recommending. I don't think that we're doing this. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, let's see if I can get a little help here. No, that is not... Okay, this is a little bit... All right. It's not doing what I asked it to, which is part of the rules to review and do not write any code. But it is doing some pseudocode for me. Yes. Long, long man indeed. No. I don't like that. There we go. So what are you yelling at me about? Why are you yelling? Oh, Sealy. Good call. But now what? What's the problem? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Wait, no, this is a normal. What the hell is the issue here? Can you tell me what the problem is? Okay. Space engineers, I have not, Mars. I have not. Looks like satisfactory, Factorio. In space. Yeah. More building. I have such a hard time getting into those games. So such a hard time. Like all right, funk. Default. No. Okay, yep, we're putting on that default. If nothing else, then funk. No. Well, that's one way to do it. But I don't like that. I don't like that. Are oh, okay, we'll put in the to do. Look at scenes. I think I've got a test scene here. Where is it? Where is it? Main level base, level base. You know, anybody who happens to be watching on YouTube right now is just wondering what the hell is going on with me. I got some music over on the Twitch side. Level base scene. Yep, packed. Oh. Yeah, packed scene. No, is it? Yeah. What's super low? The music? I don't want to have it too loud because I don't have ducking turned on. Um, let's add an at to do. Okay, so we got that. Current level pack scene. You know, and it wouldn't be well. I'm saying it. You know, my own thinking, not knowing the internals of Twitch, but since I already have sound going to a separate track in Twitch, you'd think it wouldn't be that difficult. I mean, the other side, though, I mean, I think, in my opinion, having the music playing, regardless of what it is, because I have a tendency to shut my mouth, and I'm bad at the continuous talking and like every thought going through my head. Because it's hard to type and talk at the same time. Scenes. Level base. There we go. No. Base. But instead of having, you know, the silence, unless you're watching the VOD, that makes things a little bit or a lot less interesting. If I'm just here. I mean, and you don't have music behind it. You're just wondering. And it's boring unless you like watching me going. True. Now what is... Oh, yeah, I don't really need a floor. I'm going to underscore it for now so it doesn't cause the issue. Okay, so load floor. Let's see what we got. There we go. What's the problem here? Yeah, it's declared, but it's not. Shut up. Like that. But we need to do some things in between. Okay. If current level key free. Do my levels have signals? I don't know. Level base, level base, level base signal. Does it clean up its own signals in Godot? I mean, if I queue free something, that's something that I'm not sure of. Well, let's find out. When okay. Okay, we're not doing anything in C++ or C Sharp. We're just queue freeing, so I don't need to worry about disconnecting the signals. That is good to know. All right, back to game manager. Level queue free. Current level null. What now? What now? What? No, you didn't. What? What? The hell is this even saying? Oh, because it's not a var. Never mind. Well, I mean, it's a var, but I'm not defining it here, so I don't need to type it there. I mean, I have to type it. I have to type it with a keyboard, but that's not what I mean. Okay. Current level scene. Determine level scene, floor number. Level scene, blah, blah, blah. Now I'm going to have to do something with the calculate act from floor, because that's what we're going to use to like create a pool of different that'll come later. That'll come later. What we're going to do is we're going to have a pool of different levels. I hope if I can, get past making the first one, maybe the brain will allow me to do more. And then for calculate act from floor, we'll check to see from the pool of levels for each floor. I'll have that. Let's go ahead and levels. One. Act 2. Three. Act 4. Act 5. There. Okay. So we'll implement level selection based or level scene selection based on floor number and act. There we go. Save that. What are we jumping up here? No. Why, stop. Just don't. Current level, equals current level scene, instantiate. Just fine. Add level to the scene tree. All right, so we don't have a main scene yet. We don't have a main scene. Well, we kind of do, but how are we going to add this to the tree? This is going to be that's something that I need to figure out. This add child, but this is a global. Under the main scene. Oh. Up a game manager level container node 2D no. Hey, that makes sense. Store reference string in it. I like that. I like that way. Any thoughts? Chat? Func initialize. Let's delay our misery. Save tonight. At the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone. I love this song. This is what, 2000? 2000. I'm going to say 2000, I think. No 2D. Oh, what? First note. Make up your damn mind. What's it going to be? Huh? Is it tab or enter? There we go. Tomorrow comes. Take me away. Ooh, I didn't break during the ads. So I'm gonna break now. I'm gonna step away for a moment. Ooh, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna pin this. Let me pin that. We're gonna manually unpin. Yeah, that's right. That's right. I should probably put some of the overlay stuff in here too. Resources. in the toolkit. We will put some of this stuff on because like I don't know, like, okay, if it extra life. Oh, my bad. My bad. Hold on. There, that one's pinned. That one's pinned. That's the right one. Um, and then this doesn't have anything, but I want like a progress bar. If that's a thing, can I get a progress bar? I really need to take a break. Boom. All right, I don't know. I'll check into this when I get back. I need to pee, so I'm gonna go do that. In the meantime, backed up so high in the stream, no crowd gets. All right, be right back. All right, back and sitting down. All right, so I tried using Dixper, yeah, last year. I didn't like it. I wonder if there is like an API that I can. Ooh. Well then. Um. Yeah, there's an API. It's a public API. It's a REST. Request one every. Or yeah, it's GET request. Yeah, man, it is going. It is going. I'm looking. I'm looking at an API because I am doing a 24-hour fundraiser on Saturday, through Saturday into Sunday, to raise money for Extra Life. If you're not familiar with it, it is a charity program that raises money every year. Excuse me, for Children's Miracle Network hospitals, which are hospitals in the U.S. that, as the name says, caters to children. So where does my money go? This is my most local hospital, and then Robert H. Lurie Children's Hospital of Chicago. That's where mine in particular goes to. But they go to other hospitals all around the country. I've done this for the past 4 years, and it's actually with some coworkers at a company I used to work at called The Nerdery. Some really good people. We do it every year. They do stuff up in Minnesota, like IRL stuff. I'm an outlier, one of the few of the Chicago team. Although, man, it'd be nice to just drive up there and hang out with them for 5 hours and then go hide somewhere else for the remaining 19 hours. I can only take so much. Get that shit out of here. Ah! Yes, K-Mac. 24 hour. 24 hour. Do I still have, yeah, is that the same? No, it's a different participant. Oh, it's a different. Gotta fix it. Gotta fix it. Gotta fix. Extra. Extra, extra. And I'm going to be playing games for 24 hours. Might even work on games. You know, it might be. Would it? It's too too late to do like an extra life jam unless somebody already has. Has somebody already done that? Let's see that. itch.io/jams. Nope. Yeah, I don't see it. And it's too late to do that, but wouldn't that be cool to host a jam? 24-hour, just make something maybe for next year. Maybe that'll be something I do next year. Because I'm planning on, I mean, I'm not going to stop doing this. This is what initially got me into streaming. Like the first time I streamed and set everything up was to do 4 years ago. Hey, I'm doing a fundraiser. I didn't make shit. Nobody watched. It was ridiculous, but I did it the whole 24 hours. I'm still going. All right, so where was I? What was I doing? Who am I? Thank you. Thank you. Either test. I wanna push you
JDDoesDev's
around.
development setup is so powerful. His IDE has its own gravitational field.
My IDE? Beware the IDEs? Beware the IDE. All right, so please evaluate I almost wrote a bad word. Functionality matches what was recommended. So yeah, I'm not having it write it for me. It's giving me pointers, it's giving me tips. Enemy pool not set on level. No, I don't need that yet. Ooh, player position. Oh. Okay, it's catching my shit. Godot auto connect signals when a scene is removed from the tree. You're absolutely right. Now, please implement the other changes for me because I'm lazy and you know what? There's stuff that I just forgot to do. So I am breaking my own rule and I'm having it write some stupid code for me. Some little bit, itty bitty. Hey, Mac, not anymore. I've had them before. For other reasons. I should, though, and I think I will before I create a Steam page for this. Why do you ask? All right, let's take a look here. 1 of 4. Player goal position equals current level, get player start position. Mm-hmm. I would kind of like to have the right, let's accept this one. Let's see what the next one is. Reject you. Except that was just a typo. Accept. Okay, so I wouldn't take that out. I want to pull out the enemy pool here, and we're going to do that inside the level. God damn it. Nah. Continue. I haven't done it with my streaming. I don't think that I'm not the best person to ask about it because they're a pain in Indiana to set up. The hell? Pull that out. Don't ask why. Hey, stop yelling at me. We're going to do that for now. Welcome in, Cavino. So I've done DBA, I've done LLC. LLC gives you another layer of protection. A DBA is basically just saying, hey, I'm JD, but I'm doing business under the name JDDoesDev. So I now have a bank account under the name JDDoesDev, and that's a big differentiator. It's very simple to set up. At least where I am, all I had to do, I don't even remember. It was so simple, like going to the courthouse or city hall and just having them fill out something. And then I went and started a bank account. That was it. That's how I did a DBA. LLC is a separate entity. It is a corporation. It is it limits your liability, hence the name LLC, so that you can't be sued. Well, you can, but you'd be protected behind the corporation as an entity. So anything that you do as an agent of the LLC falls under the purview of the LLC. Whereas if I went out, punched somebody in the face, that's a bad example. If I went out, or if I made a game under myself, if I put the name JD, woo.
Insert rating streamer's name here. Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
It's an Ezra. Welcome in, Ezra. Welcome in, Raiders. How was your stream? What were you up to? What do you got? What do you got to show me? Anything that you want to show off? Anything you want to tell me about? Anything that you want to, any questions you want to answer? The street you grew up on, your first pet's name, the name of your favorite niece or nephew. Freddie Confetti, welcome in, first time chat. Freddie Confetti, thank you for the follow as well. Ooh, boy, my cup runneth over. AI, first version of AI template plugin. Ooh, nice. And what else? Stupid sexy finders. Goal-oriented action planning, right on. You're modeling an ant right now? Are you having it do blue steel? Like turn around and look at you. Basically, an ant's a snowman with extra sticks. Liberacorn, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Some merch. Ooh. Have you made the Ezra panties or underwear that I've been asking you for since GODOT? Developer Ezra banana hammock. Liberacorn, everything is A-OK. Thank you for asking. So Raiders, for those of you who don't know me, I am JD. I'm a web developer professionally. I'm doing GODOT here on stream. Currently, I'm working on a twin stick shooter. Let's go to my main here. And I'm working on the game manager. So the game itself, I'm bad at art. I'm bad at lots of things. But anyway, let's run this and see. Hopefully I didn't break anything in the process. Yay! So you are a little OSHA guy. And I use some Kenny assets as placeholders here for that. And you are going through trying to climb your way up a tower in order to hand a notice of condemnation to the owner of the tower to say, hey, your tower's bad and you should feel bad. So you run around doing this. We're going to have different enemies. We're going to have different biome type or acts, different waves. Essentially, it's heavily inspired by Smash TV. Bingo, bingo. I'll buy that for $1. Oh, I almost shut down Godot. I don't want to do that. So I've been working on improving my art and drawings. This is some rough drafts of what I'm planning on. Some of, like the first act takes place in the basement. So we're going to have rats, we're going to have fuzzy mold with spore clouds, we're going to have slime of unknown origin, and all the weapons are going to be inspired by things that you'd expect a building inspector or bureaucrat to be carrying around, like a rubber stamp or a clipboard or a measuring wheel or other things. So this was draft 1 of Inspector Man, and we eventually ended up here. There's still a lot of work to be done. I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to switch him up to pixel art. I don't know. Today, off stream, because nobody wants to watch me do this shit, I broke him into pieces. I gave him the old Dexter special. Ezra, thank you for hanging out. I appreciate you bringing your community over. I appreciate everybody who stopped in. I appreciate the 2 follows so far. If you like what you see, feel free to drop a follow. Didn't see a save progress redeem, so pick this instead. Fair. That is not a bad idea. You know what? I should do a commit your shit redeem. Let me, in fact, add another one here. Get status. Oh. No, we don't need to keep that. We don't need to keep that. Let's add. Shrink it all down. It shrinks. K-Mac, yes, infinitely. Because with him in multiple pieces, here, let me hide all the copies. Copy, 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 copy. Oh, you're not what I wanted. All right, so if I were to try to animate this version, that's all one thing, it's going to be a pain in the ass, because, I mean, how are you going to do that? You can cut out a little piece and then rotate it. Instead, take that apart. And now let's just say, for example, where's my front arm? Okay, we can't do that. We can't do that. Oh, we want him to wave. Let's put the rotation there, and boom, boom. He's got that kung fu grip. Here, let's make it a little bit better. There we go. Boom. Hiya! Hiya! And, you know, we can do things like What? Stuff like that. Now, not to say that a figure like this you couldn't animate in different things without making adjustments, but because Godot does make it really easy. Well, that's relative. let's see. No, 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 no. Get out of here. Don't save. We want a new one. We want to other node. I don't remember how I do this. But yeah, I do. Well, the tutorial is actually the best. Oh, that's not that. Skeleton 2D. Online tutorials. Here we go. All right, so like, I mean, okay, here's the Godot bot that has been torn apart into pieces, right? Put together like that. So we create the polygons for each of the things. And use a texture, and then blah, 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 points mode. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Okay. Let's go back here and see if I can remember how to do this stuff. Do a node 2D, and then it had, what do we got? Polygons. R. Polygons. All right, and then what do we do? What do we do? Okay. No, 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 no. Polygon 2D, right? That's what it's saying. And the texture. Let's look here. Let's do the file system. Let's look at 2D here. Okay, nothing to see. All right, so we got that. The UV dialog. Where'd that go? Did this get changed? Anybody out there? It's Matrix. Welcome in. How you doing, friend? I don't see the UV. Where's the UV? It doesn't want you to be happy. I'm sorry. I want you to be happy. Oh, here we go. Oh, they changed it, didn't they? They changed it. Put it down here. Oh, no. Okay. So we got the UV there. All right. So yeah. Points mode. There we go. Points. F arm. And what did it say? Nope, nope, nope. Hey, Bits, how's it going? It is going all right here. I'm just testing something here. B-arm. Yep. Okay, let's do that. F leg. There we go. B leg. Um, Body. All right, so we got that. We're not going to do all the things. Mapped all the pieces? No, not yet. Not yet. Create the skeleton. Let's arrange all the stuff. Front arm in front of body. In front of, not back arm behind body. Front leg in front of body. Oh yeah. There we go. All right, so we've got Bruce the headless thingy. Skeleton 2D. We got hip. And then that has the chest. Yep. Where you at? Ooh. No, okay. Now, how do I... What's the problem here? Why am I not seeing bone? Did I miss something? Did I mess something up here? I think that oh. You? No. Gizmos? Visibility? Show bone. Oh. Where the hell is the bone? Okay, have I done something just completely asinine and forgotten everything? It's entirely possible that I forgot everything. But oh, unless, oh no, I think I know what going on here. Look at this. It's just so small. Yep. Yep, that's what it was. Yep. Yes. Right. Ooh. What do we got here? Arm front, hand front. Okay. Yeah, what were the legs under? Legs are under hip. Leg front. Freshie, what's up? Things are going all right here. I am playing with Thing, trying to figure out if this is going to be a good way to go. Okay, so there we go. Bone. Wait, no. The right rest pose. Yay, now it's happy. Back arm. Skeleton. Sign. Skeleton 2D. Okay, here we go. Bones. All right, what am I doing here? Sync bones to polygon. Bones. Sync bones to polygon. You are. Bones. Sync bones to polygon. Oh, oh, oh. Built in. All right, arm left. Okay, da-da-da-da-da. What the hell is going on here? Hand F. Ooh, oh, okay. Oh, is this trying to, there we go. There we go. All right, now. Look at that. Look at that. Now we got a bone. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Now we got a deformated bone. Look at that. Ooh. Now what we could always do here. Damn. Roshi, I do not envy you working in Excel at all. And then there are other things that we could do to hook it in. Internal vertices. Oh, nice. Okay, well, if you're happy, I'm happy for you. I'm definitely happy for you. Now let's go back and just take a look here. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, that's not it. No, what? Got a polygon section. Oh. I gets it. You gets it. I gets it. But I've got to redo all the things because why not? Hey, bones. Wait, what happened there? Not much better. But either way, but yeah, so it's gonna be easier to animate this way. That's the long and short of it. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna chuck on the words. And I'm gonna run to the bathroom. So if anybody wants to play, play. If you don't want to play, I hope that you hang out. I'll see you in just a couple minutes. All right. We made it to level 2. Right, let's see here. Closing that down. Freshie, you got it before me. Well done. Well done. 2 whole level. Well done. Okay, what the hell was I doing before? Odious, welcome in. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well this fine time-changed evening, where I'm already like feeling like it's time to pass out. Why you wanna give me the run around? Are there? Oh, 26 people I'm following are on. I just can't compete. I need to do like fine. I wasn't gonna do it. So if it's what it's gonna take, full frontal. Okay, no. 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 That's for an entirely different stream. Oh, I think I've been completely distracted since the raid. Can't find my good overlay in time. Oh, there it is. Whoops. All right, so. Oh, I was. Yeah. Nah. For me, that she lives for me. Okay, we're gonna add by chunk. Yes. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, that's adding it in. Yeah, I changed it. Change that. Fine, that's fine. I like this. I like it. And what else? We got debug menu, level layouts. We've got a doc for that. Prompts. Yep, get, add. Game manager start. Otis, what do you mean support stream? What's you got going on? There, we backed up our work. What's this button do? Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll check that out. Also a reminder. Tell all the big streamers you follow on Saturday to raid into me so I can do it for the children. Playing games for 24 hours for the children's. Actually, that's a extra life. There. Is it 345? Guess I could get rid of the lem tag. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so we got the cleanup here. Now, what? Ooh. What else needs to be done for the game manager to work? Odious, I'd appreciate that. Thank you. I didn't ask for direct code. Please refer to the rules again. Jerk. Well, Odious, I'm semi-vibing it. Semi, where I don't want it to just flat out write all the things for me, but I want it to teach me. So I have a prompt here where to create Kanban tasks. Yeah, that's fine. But I do have my windsurf rules that I have it reminded of many times. Like teach first, coding second. Do not automatically write code implementation unless explicitly requested. Kanban task, it's basically a this kind of board. So the prompt that I gave it, I said, hey, look at my game design document and look at what we've completed so far. And create tasks following this pattern for things that we still need to do. Oh, task mechanic is done. Print mechanic, no, not going to happen. We can delete that. Goodbye. Core enemy framework is done. Wave spawning is done. We got this bug. Clint's TV, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Hope you're having a good day. And I appreciate you being here. Bang, bang. I want. I want. Keep the current testing for testing individual levels. Okay, so now I'm at, since the, okay, we'll do a game scene. Yeah, game scene. But the main scene is testing, game scene is production. I think the next thing that we need to work on is going to be the upgrade system, which means that I have to create upgrades. So this is where the form versus functionality. Where I almost need to document what upgrades we're going to have. For outstanding work. I don't want just that. No. Add tasks to the backlog stage. Okay. So yeah, I'm clearing that out because in my initial GDD, I wasn't quite sure, but dash is more boom, boom, like a very short spurt of forward momentum or momentum in a direction. Whereas I see sprint as faster for an extended period of time, where you can have more control. So think of sprint where you run, hold down shift while you're playing a first-person shooter. And dash is more the dodge, like foom. Possibly because I haven't played Fortnite in a while, long time. Here, I'll show. So I didn't do a dash or I didn't do a sprint, so it's all the same same speed. But the other thing, let's get some aggro up in here. A dash, is a quick movement where just running, oh, those guys are strong. Is there something I could do about that to have, like, when they're on me, they put more weight behind the character? Boom. Yeah, so the dash is kind of a quick move away, and I don't have sprint because I don't really see a need for it. Well, look, okay, so I'm trying to push against mouse, and they're kind of winning out. I'd like to be able to, I guess at this point I'm dead because they're attacking. I mean, if you can see, current health is 0. They're attacking for damage. But maybe have something to where they let's make a ticket. Is that in the code base? Let's see. What? For the all right, let's get this working while This is almost agentic. I should probably have done this as an agent. There. It's going to take a while. And because of the way that it's running, I can't really do a change on the can't really do a change on what. In the Kanban board, because it's going to be working on that file now. Yeah. So this is their, no, I want to know. Run as agent. Okay. Oh, it already is an agent. So just let it go. This, it's a lot slower than like than that. It's codex sidebar. But it's more agentic than otherwise doing like in here. Okay. All right, time change messing with me. And oh, I'm dropping frames again because why the hell not? Why wouldn't I? Hmm. It's identifying missing features. Gonna see. Yeah, it's gonna take a bit. It's gonna take a bit to do this. While it's doing that, my goodness. I'm gonna go back to Blender and actually open back up here. We're gonna look at cracked wall texture and I'm gonna try this. Are we in edit mode? All right, subdivide. Damn it. Okay. Do it. All right. Do I need to? I think I need to subdivide up here. I'm doing it in the wrong window. And then, oh, nope. GX. Yeah, let's go here. Is this gonna mess up anything? I think it might mess up all the things. Just to be safe. Merge. Distance. Merge. By distance. Now let's check this. Let's, can we subdivide it now? Def back. Oh, is it because of this? It's because of this, isn't it? It's all because of you. You made me do this, huh? Subdivide. Where'd you go? Yeah, okay. Did I mess it all up? Is it all? Select you. Select you. Do I have a modifier that's not applied? No. No, that's not. What the hell have I done? No. All right, I've messed something up royally here. We unsubdivide that. Now, what I want is going to be a loop cut. No, I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't want to knife it. Where are my Blender experts at? Oh, unless, can I do that? Face. Wait, there are no triangles, so, no. Base, triangles to quads. Can I do that? I do believe so. Wouldn't that be a quad? If I got rid of this vertex, it's here? Oh, good God, what just happened there? Right now, I'm just trying to subdivide this. And something wonky has happened here. Like to the point where this, which was supposed to be in here, like attached to the wall, is not. But that's not a big deal. That's not a big deal. What is a big deal is that I want to fix this. Okay. What's a shortcut for that? Okay, so that's what I just did. Control A, apply all transforms. All right, so no, that's not what I want to do. That is not what I want to do. Get out of here. All right, so what I want to do here is I want to subdivide this plane. For this plane, as much as I'm trying to subdivide it. Well, this should be quads though. Right? See the highlighted figure I've got? This one part. I just want to subdivide this face into multiple. What the hell? No, 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 bad. Oh, what the hell? What is that? Okay. I don't know what target weld is. No, it's I'm losing shit. I'm dropping frames. Okay, yeah, I already did that. Okay, now. Damn it, that's the same problem. Oh, man. Oh. Why are you not cutting? Okay, so there's something awkward happening here. that I don't even know what the hell. Yeah, okay. In that case, right here. Yeah, let it go. But okay, okay. Too late. Too late. Too late. Which is what I wanted to do. Yep. Ah, ah. Okay, there we go. Now, here's what I was trying to get to. Cracked wall. Got that. Add detail, subdivide. Apply the scale. Apply scale. Okay, we got that. Just settings. Ready to go. 3. Little fracture. I really wish that it would show the like I'd like to show progress real time. Oh, it's not showing. It's not showing. F3 cell fracture. I'm sorry, Odious. I'm sorry your PC is. I don't like that. That's no. And there isn't like a good way to test it. I mean, shit. F3. Well, no. It's doing the same. All right, so okay, so that's good if I want the wall to be completely cracked. So, Odious, the thing is though, it doesn't matter. Because I'm not going to be rendering this in Godot at all. Oh, not that. Here we go. Here's one. Noise texture, color ramp, and bump. No, I didn't say put it there. Yep. All that we're going to do is render image. Done. We're going to make the things in Blender, turn them into images, and use those as sprites within Godot. Color ramp. Stop. Bump. Right there. Okay. Noise texture to the, wait. Color ramp input. Up nodes normal to the principled. No. No, because it's top down. You might have missed the testing. This is how it's going to be. Basically something like that. All right. Nope. Where to go? Where's the Veroni? All right. Wait, did I want that? Did I want it there? Like the bump node's normal output to the normal input. Uh, oh, wait a minute. Okay, okay. Still not giving me the types of Kraken that I was hoping it would. Go linear. Not directly. I'm trying to create something a little bit more. I want it to look like cracks in the walls. And right now I'm just playing with this and seeing what the color ramp actually gives me. Yeah, cracks. And this is supposed to be a normal map. Yeah. Well, this is just only supposed to be normal, and I think that I need... Oh, yeah, hold on. See how it looks here. No, not there. Let's see what... Is any better? Yeah. Okay, we'll do that, and then let's see if I... I'm sure there's like a just a simple brush I could use to... All right, now we're getting somewhere. But it's not really doing the bump to bump. Yeah, I'm out of my league on this. Take the Veroni, have a wireframe. Maybe, yeah, I was just hoping to do something procedural here. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, can't even tell from this angle. And that does give it kind of a worn look. Linear. Nope, bad. That's what I'm doing. At least I thought it. Oh, that's exactly what I was trying to do. Oh, jeez. What would I do without you? There we are. Tim the Dandy, what is up? Should I change over here? Cycles. Uh-oh. No. Back to EV. Nope. There we go. And now. And now. Edit mode. Unlike the. Yeah, what was the farmer replaced with? Oh yeah, UVs are bad. Okay. Hmm. Oh no. F3 on. Nope. But now I know what needs to happen here. The good thing is, I didn't save shit. Aha! Aha! Gotcha. I win. All right. It's about that time for me. What's old Cricket up to? Let's see. We're going to go to Cricket or Chris is going. Adam's going. Oh, New Jank. What's New Jank up to? We haven't been there in a long, long time. Excuse me. Yeah, let's go over there. Does this thing work? Does this do the thing? Yeah. Oh, just open the window. I have it on my stream deck where I can see who's online. And it's kind of handy. So we're going to head on over there. Thank you for the raids today. Coming in from Ezra. Thank you for the new follows from Friday Confetti, Labricorn, and Clinch TV. Oh, Odious, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Thank you, Mars, for the bits. Thank you, everybody, for all the things. Just in time, because my frames are starting to drop again. So, much love to everyone. Take care and have a great rest of your night. Let's go say hi to New Jank. Appreciate y'all. Bye-bye.